In this video, I will give a glimpse of what happened in last few months, why I was not uploading any videos, and most importantly, what to expect from this channel from now onwards. Before saying anything, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me from the day I started this channel and for pushing me to be a better version of myself each and every day. When I started this channel, I had a lot of fear of being judged and lots of questions which even I didn't know the answer for. But now here I am today because of you all. In spite of the fact that I didn't upload any video from last 2 to 3 months, you have supported me like I have never expected. And I'm happy to say that we have finally reached 1000 subscribers, and right now we have around 2400 subscribers, which is like mind blowing for me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Srinidhi V. Prabhu. I'm a first year medical student in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. I don't know if I'm in like first year or second year right now because I just finished my exams and I'm waiting for my results. So I'm kind of between first and second year. It's been a really long time since I have uploaded any video. The wait is over, the time has finally come. Watch this video till the end because I have quite a few surprises for you all in this video. Answering to the question why I was out of YouTube for last few months. I was having my first year final exam and it was very hectic. From the month of December till the end of February or first week of March, I literally done nothing except studying. And to add to that point, I even had allergic conjunctivitis, which just made my life a bit more hectic. And I'm thankful for all your sweet comments, which just pushed me forward to be confident in my way. This was me reading Anatomy of Abdomen and Pelvis in my college study room peacefully at night. When I got to know we are only 2 subscribers away from reaching 1000 subscribers, and I don't think I could have ended the day any better. Now I'm finally done with my exams and still waiting for my results. I do have plenty of time to invest in YouTube and to my other hobbies. So what I will be doing for YouTube is I will be uploading videos regarding as usual NEET topics, and here comes the surprise number 1. I will also be making videos on my college, our hostel life and life of a Medico. I hope you all are really excited about this, and I'm pretty sure that these videos will definitely make you motivated to pursue medicine. Sometime soon I will be keeping a poll in YouTube community post, so do participate in it and share your opinions regarding the same. Coming to surprise number 2, I am thinking of conducting a Zoom call for 10 minutes every week with a selected individual just to chit chat with that individual, and if in case that individual has any queries I can resolve it. But I'm not sure how I'm gonna select a particular individual or when that's gonna be. I will definitely keep you all posted regarding the same, and I will keep you all updated from the YouTube community post itself. But do comment your thoughts on this in the comments below. Hope you are really excited about these 2 points. One, me making videos about medical colleges, hostel life, etc. And two, Zoom call for 10 minutes with a selected individual. I'm glad if you have made it till here, and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos and updates. And please do like, share and comment your thoughts so that I can know how our community is growing and how our community is supporting each other. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in my next video.